Hi, my name is Caitlin and I am an iRobot field marketing representative. Today, I'm gonna show you everything that comes in the box for the Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum. So here we go. Now, let's open the box. All right, now the first key feature that I want to talk to you about is the clean button. Now the clean button is a simple operation with no programming required. You just press the clean button and the robot starts cleaning. The next feature that I want to talk to you about are the cliff detect sensors. Now these sensors prevent the robot from falling downstairs. The next key feature that I want to talk to you about is the dual multi-surface rubber brushes. Now these brushes are great for picking up both large and small debris in your home, like dirt, dust, and hair. Another key feature I really want to talk to you about is the adjustable cleaning head. Now the adjustable cleaning head adapts its height to the rubber brushes in order to keep in close contact with different floor surfaces. Now, let's remove the clean base. Now, the clean base both charges and automatically empties the bin into a disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days of dust, dirt, and hair. Now we're going to take a look at the accessories that come in the box for the Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and now we're going to open it up. Okay, within the box you'll find one extra allergen lock bag, one extra filter, one extra edge sweeping brush, and a line cord. Allergen lock bags are made up of 4 layers of allergen blocking material to trap 99% of pollen, mold, and dust mites so that they don't escape back into the air in your home. Just take them out when full and toss them in the garbage. The high efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog allergens. The extra edge sweeping brush is also included. Another great thing that comes with this robot is your owner's guide. Now in this owner's guide, there's a bunch of info on your robot and all of the information on how to register your robot and get everything set up. So this is everything that comes in the box for the Roomba i7 Plus. For more information on how this robot works and why it's a great fit for you, feel free to check out any of our other videos on the Roomba i7 Plus as well. Thank you so much for watching.